Here I am in my grandpa's garage. He has a Craftsman 3 to 4 horsepower. This thing is old. This house was built in the 1960s. And I'm opening it up with the Craftsman. I forgot what the brand name was. Sears, and it was this is Sears in Canada. And it was Sears in Canada in Toronto. I don't know which number this is, but you gotta but this garage door is older than the motor, so listen to this. Here's his driveway. It's a beautiful driveway. Here's his Craftsman keypad. Oh, jeez, it's warm out here. It is warm out here. This thing is old. That's it.